In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Google Sheet in Notion. This tutorial will walk you through the process of displaying a live Google Sheet directly inside your Notion page, making it easier to view, reference, and manage spreadsheet data without constantly switching between apps. Embedding a Google Sheet is especially useful for tracking data, sharing reports, or collaborating with others while keeping everything organized in one place. To begin, open your Google Sheets and locate the specific spreadsheet you want to embed in Notion. It is important to open the file first and confirm that it is the correct sheet, especially if you manage multiple spreadsheets. Taking a moment to verify this helps prevent embedding the wrong document and saves time later. Once the correct Google Sheet is open, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen and click the Share button. This opens the sharing settings for the file. By default, most Google Sheets are set to restricted access, meaning only selected people can view them. For the sheet to display properly inside Notion, the access setting needs to be adjusted. Change the general access option from restricted to anyone with the link. This allows Notion to display the sheet while still keeping it secure, since only people with the link can view it. After updating the access settings, copy the share link provided. Make sure the link is fully copied, as this is what Notion will use to embed the spreadsheet. You can now leave Google Sheets and switch over to your Notion workspace. Open the Notion page where you want the Google Sheet to appear. Click anywhere on the page to place your cursor, then type /embed. From the menu that appears, select the Embed option. A small window will pop up asking for a link. Paste the Google Sheets link you copied earlier into this field, then click Embed link. Almost immediately, your Google Sheet will load directly inside the Notion page. Once embedded, the sheet remains connected to Google Sheets. This means that any updates or changes made to the spreadsheet will automatically reflect in Notion. This is helpful for shared data, ongoing projects, or reports that change frequently. You can resize the embedded view or move it anywhere on the page to better fit your layout and workflow. And that's it. You've successfully embedded a Google Sheet in Notion, making it easier to access and manage your spreadsheet data alongside your notes and projects. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.